God's gifted soil and sky, to mansion house that still stands high, we raise our voices bold and strong. Oaklands, to you we all belong. Oaklands, Oaklands ever true, we learn, we build, create anew. Your past inspires, your future's wide. With hearts and hands we walk with pride. From farm to forge, from stage to screen, you shape the dream, you spark the dream. Foul plough once sowed the fertile ground, now classrooms buzz with vibrant sound, where land girls train through wartime days. Now sports and science light our ways, from digital to skilled repair, to music, care, and arts that dare. We shape the world with every hand, guided by your noble stand. Building futures, dreams made real, your mission sets our course and keel. With every trade and scholar's fire, you lift us up.